On your spiritual journey, I'm sure there have been a couple of experiences, at least until now, a couple of time frames when you felt amazing, when you felt so expanded, when you truly felt like, oh my God, I'm creator, like I have the power. When you felt that you were in control of your life, when you felt that it was all possible, when you truly felt powerful as creator of your life, as who you were, right? So what you'll notice is that those feeling states of like really high vibration, bliss, peace, and whatnot, sometimes they're very transitory. Like they come and go very fast because our habitual vibration is not as high as those states. So we do feel those every now and then, but then we come back to our habitual vibration, right? Which might be normal, which might be negative, whatever it is for you personally. But you'll notice that every now and then, if you allow yourself to have these experiences, they happen more and more. And they, even if they happen very just seldom for you, you still know what I'm talking about. Just those times when you felt powerful, truly, and you felt blissful, amazing. So on your journey, you have these experiences and then you come back, right? And then you maybe go through a period and then you have another one. Today's message in this video, I want to let you know, I want to invite you to allow yourself to be guided by those experiences, no matter how brief they are for you. Allow yourself to rest in the knowledge that those feeling states are how you're supposed to feel all the time. Allow that feeling state to become your guide in a way that, okay, anytime that you are not feeling those things, you should change your perspective. That those feeling states are what we came here to feel, to do. We are the creator. We are those high vibration feeling states, and we should feel those states more and more often. However, sometimes we don't, actually, most of the times, we don't let ourselves feel those things because of our limiting perspectives, limiting beliefs, which make us feel another type of way, right? How you feel is derived from what you believe to be true about yourself and something else that you are currently seeing and defining. You change your perspective, you change your beliefs, you change the way you feel naturally. So I want to let you know to allow yourself to really be guided by those experiences. And always remember how those feelings felt. When you felt powerful, right? How did you feel? You truly felt like you were on top of life, that you had everything taken care of, that you will accomplish all your goals. The reason you felt so good in those times is because you were aligned with Source, with that perspective during that time, during those feelings. So in essence of it, you were aligned with the truth, and that's why you felt so incredible. And anytime that you don't feel that way, you are less aligned with the truth. Anytime that you feel the opposite of that, you are not aligned with the truth. Allow those feelings to guide you through your journey. That the closer you are to feeling that way every single day, the more progress you are making on this journey. The farther away you get from that feeling state, in whichever phase of life you are right now, in whatever you are currently defining, if you are feeling the opposite and far away from those feeling states of like high vibration, then you are not looking at something in a correct way, that you have a belief that is not aligned with the truth, with Source, with who you truly are, that you are currently thinking about something, that you are thinking something about a particular event or a person that is not in alignment with who you truly are, that you are putting limitation on yourself and holding yourself back from progressing towards those feeling states more and more often. Okay, this is something that I personally have gone through. Certain times, certain mornings, or even after certain meditations, I have felt like incredibly blissful and just really peaceful, just to a point where I didn't even need to say anything or speak anything. It was just like absolute gratitude for what I'm feeling and just pure bliss, knowing that everything is taken care of, knowing that I am creator, that I am on top of life rather than underneath it. And, those feeling states don't last. So you come back to your regular self and you allow that experience to guide you. You allow that experience to be like a signpost for what you're, supposed to feel all the time. And then anytime you're not feeling that way, just remind yourself that right now, what I'm like believing to be true about myself, about life, about the world is not in alignment. And then come back into alignment. The more you are in alignment, the greater progress you will make on your journey. The faster you will accelerate your consciousness, your growth, your life's theme, the faster you will manifest. And the more access you will have to those states of high vibration for longer and longer periods of time. So really, like nowadays, whenever I feel bad, I don't allow it to dictate my experience. I don't allow it. Whenever I like go through something that makes me feel bad or like kind of unworthy, I just like real quick wake up and realize that I'm defining something in my reality that is causing me to make a false definition about either myself, my worth, or something in the world, something about life. And then I try to just quickly think like, what am I believing to be true in this moment that is not aligned with the truth? And then when I find out what it is, I change that. I just choose a different thought. That is a power you have. If your feelings are derived from your thoughts and beliefs, then change the thought, because that's a power you have. So I quickly just change the thought I'm having to one that feels better, to one that is more aligned with the truth. And then I practice that vibration, right? Or if I can't find out, like, what am I believing to be true right now that, like, that's making me feel this way, I simply just shift my focus to something that I do want, something that feels really good to imagine right now in this moment. And then through that practice, you start to feel a little better too. So, right, like you have to manage your vibration. You have to really want it. You have to really want to always feel good in order to be able to when things do go wrong, have the motivation to like practice a certain vibration that takes you back the other way into the positive side. You're not going to do it if you don't really want it. You're not going to do it if you're not fully committed, fully into this. And if you're not fully into this, like you're going to see results here and there, but then don't be surprised when you don't manifest your desires or when you don't see real progress towards joy, towards bliss. Okay, so allow those high vibration experiences to guide you. Let them be the signpost that you need to always know how you should be feeling. And if you're not feeling anything close to that, then change what you're believing to be true. Joy exists right now in this present moment. Bliss exists right now in this present moment. The reason you're not experiencing it is because you're not allowing yourself to, because of your lack beliefs, your limiting beliefs. So believe something else. Practice a different vibration. Allow yourself to feel good now. Manage your vibration. It's one of the most important things on this journey. All right? And the more you do manage your vibration, and what I've been experiencing lately is those high vibration states more and more frequently for longer and longer periods of time. Imagine what you can create while always feeling that. Imagine how amazing life becomes when you feel those feelings all the time. And imagine how many negative thoughts and fears and anxieties you just naturally don't experience when you start moving towards the truth. This is all available to you. This is all, this entire experience is available to you, but you have to want it. You have to manage your vibration willingly throughout your entire waking life. So good luck with this. Practice it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. But subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.